Hey everybody, it's your girl Jazzy. I am going to do a before and after video of funness. So I'm going as Punky Brewster to an 80s party. I'll show later pictures of what I actually end up wearing for this 80s attire party. And I also like Elvira's funky makeup, like dramatic and big. So I'm doing Punky Brewster meets Elvira, so it's a mix of both. Hope you like it, so stay tuned. So guys, this is Elvira's makeup. It is very excessive. I went ahead and put like some sparkle spray in my hair to just be like the extra dramatic. But wow, if I had it pinned down a hooker look, my gosh, I think I got it. Yeah. I'm gonna go with it. So anyhow, this is the very dramatic Elvira look. She has like a whole bunch of eyeshadows. It was literally layers and layers of eyeshadow. And the eyeliner, you know how I do the double wing? She has 4 wings. 4. So yeah. Anyways, this is gonna be fun for party nonetheless, so stay tuned. Bye.